Model, 67-plate Vauxhall Combo 2001.3 CDTI, 95 PS, L1H1 EURO 6 no VAT bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 142,912. MOT, the 22nd of December 2025. Engine, 1248 cc 1.3D. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Start and drive brilliantly, no warning lights on the dash. This is very clean and the first person to see will definitely buy. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, air con.